I've,
Miss Doyle, are you all right?
Yeah, sorry. I've, sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah, God. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know. I know why I chucked hot oil at that guy. And it had nothing to do with him. It was about me. I was an angry person, and that anger had control of me. I realised I had a lot to change, and I've worked bloody hard to do it. Just maybe not hard enough. But I do know that I don't ever want to go back to being that angry girl in the kitchen. That's the truth.
Thank you. You can take a seat.
Thank you.
Miss Westphal, your statement, please.
I have worked in corrections for nearly 20 years now, so I am no new hand here. But I have never treated a client with such potential as Frankie Doyle. Now, she's been utterly honest with you here today. Maybe too honest. But she has faced up to herself and acknowledged that no one has complete control. She is a work in progress, and she understands that. I think that is important. I believe she's as ready for parole as anyone could be.
Thank you, Miss Westphal. Miss Ferguson.
No objection to parole, Your Honour.
Thank you for your brevity, Governor. Miss Doyle, is there anything else that you would like to add before this... Miss Doyle? Miss Doyle, are you not well?
No, I think I'm... Can I be excused, please? Can I please be excused?
I think perhaps we should suspend this hearing, Your Honour. Escort her to medical.